Let me see what that cash app looking like.
All right, man, we waiting on them.
Okay. Oh, my boy put 20 on PayPal.
As soon as we get the green light from track officials,
let me see. 20
we'll be back to racing.
Let me check.
We good? I just got the word.
Jalen Anderson just came.
True Street, you should be in the skating
nobody
lane.
Did nothing on.
True Street in the skating lane, please.
Ain't nobody did nothing on Zelle, I see. Ain't nobody Zelle me nothing. Let me check PayPal. Let me see PayPal. Let me see. Look out, you have the best lives. Trina Lynn, appreciate it, appreciate it. I wish I was getting paid like the best. That's my goal. Look out. Yeah. I'm trying to get to that cash, Trina. They be like, oh man, you're freaking doing a great job. And then I'll be live 5 hours and I'll be thinking, man, all these people wanted to come to the track and it's 25 and 50 to get in. I'll be thinking I'm finna get a couple 25s and 50. I'm like, you know the price. I'll be like, shit, give me half of that $10, $5, something. I be imagining thousands of people online with $1. And then they all just give me a 1 or 2. And then it add up before I can buy a part. Hey, like a transmission. Cause boy, I'm in a bad position on that transmission. Y'all hear me?
All right, guys, let's go ahead and get suited up. Here we go. Let's get suited up, small time. Let's go, guys.
Yeah. My boy, he worked the 8 hours.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. All right. Cody, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get that mic. I'm going to call him out on the mic. 20,000.
Hold on, y'all. I'm finna check something. What year my Mustang? It's a 1982. All right, I see what I'm working with. Brent Hunt for the 922. Appreciate the 922. Lawyer Bros Racing for the 1893. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. I done made $28.08. I sure appreciate y'all. If we round that up, let me see, 28 divided by 4. I done made $7 an hour, y'all. Woo! Y'all start screaming. I made $7 an hour, y'all. Woo, woo, woo! Sharon Switchenbergton. Boy, I bet they were messing up your name when you was in school. I got a it's a supercharger under there, LS motor supercharger. Yeah. Dang. Y'all gonna want me to be here all night? I'm gonna tell you now. I don't want to. Trina, you a track girl? Oh, it's German. Oh, so they probably ain't got, are you from Germany? They probably ain't got no, they probably could pronounce it easily. I looked at it and had to really look at it. Donnie Hart say he liked that Mustang I got. Right here.
Turn two.
Y'all go ahead and put y'all bets in. Damn, what the fuck? I think left lane won that, boy. What lane?